So when you're doing your 2-strand twist, you want to make sure that you grab 2 locks that are directly, right next to each other. I know that's a little obvious, but for me, it's kind of harder because my parts are all over the place, so it's a little bit more difficult to find 2 that are aligned. You want to make sure that you don't have the damn London Bridge going across your head because you got 2 locks from 2 different sides of your head. So just grab 2 that's side by side. My locks are pretty frizzy. I've been noticing that a lot lately, so I think what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do a 30-day palm roll challenge. As you can see, I don't roll all the way down my lock, I just do the root. So I'm going to try to palm roll for 30 days and see what happens in terms of the frizziness of my locks. But with that being said, my locks are a lot more frizzy when they're wet versus when they're dry, because right now they do not look like they look in this video, honey. When you're doing your 2-strand twist, you actually have to watch which way you're twisting, because if you twist the wrong way, so the easiest way for me to explain it is if you twist your locks and when you let go of them after you've twisted them together, if the whole thing comes undone, then you've twisted it the wrong way. So you want to make sure that when you take your hand off of the 2-strand twist, it doesn't start unwinding. That's how you'll know. So it's kind of just like a trial and error type thing.